Hi everyone, today I have a special video. I want to show you how you can build a business online as a student. How to make money online as a student. Not only as a student, anyone who is looking for building a small business online to get some extra income like maybe $200, $300 or maybe more as much as you work per month, then this video is for you. Today I will show you an action plan, 30 days action plan that you are going to apply starting from today, and you will build somehow a strong online business from home and make some extra income per month. Stay tuned. Hi friends, I'm Hasan from Educate, and today I'm so happy to publish this new video. What's the idea behind this video today? Why it's targeting students? Simply because this video is structured in a way it's targeting people who can't invest too much time and can't invest money. So usually students don't have money to invest. They have $0 to invest and they don't have too much time because they are studying. So in this video, I will show you an action plan that requires like working 1 or 2 hours per day starting with $0. So let's stop wasting time and go directly into our point and start explaining the action plan for you. But before, please, just some patience. I have 2 important points for you for this video. Number 1, that this video is somehow short. It's less than 15 minutes. But it's very important to follow up step by step. I structured the video in a way it's connected together to help you build a strong online business. So I'm not listing anything here. I am connecting points together, showing you an action plan. So please don't miss any minute. Watch the full video. The second point, in this video we have a special giveaway. Because we are targeting students, I will give $250 cash for 5 winners. If you want to join, keep watching. And please don't forget to support my channel, like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet. And please, this is the first time I ask about sharing this video, because this video may really help a lot of students today, especially in 2021 in this COVID-19 epidemic or whatever. So please share it with someone if you feel it will help your friend, it will help maybe some students working online or whatever. Okay, so let's start what we are going to do in this video. What is the action plan for you in this video? If you are following my channel, you know I explained a lot of strategies and methods to build a business online, a real business online. And I showed you a lot of examples from my own business, a lot of case studies, and so on. You can review if you want. Anyway, the idea today, I want to pick 3 methods, 3 strategies that I'm going to combine together so we can build somehow a strong online business with 3 income streams. So we can ensure like at least $200, $300 per month. Instead of picking only one and working hard on only one method that may fail and may succeed, let's pick 3 so we can increase the chance of success in this business. Okay, so usually when you want to work online or work from home or work on the internet, we have a lot of methods like blogging, like freelancing, like SaaS businesses, YouTube channels like Instagram, sponsorships, building online shops, drop shipping, drop servicing. We have a lot of strategies and methods. But as I told you in this video, we are targeting people who can't invest a lot of time and can't invest money. So we need to start for free with $0, and we need to start with almost 1 or 2 hours a day as a maximum amount of time to work. Okay, so what I picked for you to connect together in this video is the 3 methods. Number 1 is freelancing, number 2 is affiliate marketing, and number 3 is blogging. Please listen carefully. I want to explain things and share some tips that really might help you to be successful in this business. So number 1 is freelancing. Just for beginners who don't know what is freelancing, it's simply providing a service online. Like if you are a graphic designer, you can maybe create logos, create graphics, whatever you want, draw something and provide this as a service online. Maybe you are good in translation, so you can create a translation of ebooks, of text, or whatever. Maybe you are a programmer, you can develop maybe some games, develop websites, maybe you develop WordPress websites or whatever. Maybe you are a video animator, you can provide video animations. Maybe you are interested in SEO and digital marketing, you can provide digital marketing services, and so on. So what you have to do now is to think about a skill or a service you can provide. To help you, you can go to websites like Fiverr.com. You know Fiverr, I think. It's the top marketplace for freelancing services. You can go here and hover over these categories like graphics and design and see all these services here provided in Fiverr. You can see what you can do. You can take some ideas. Digital marketing, like social media, like marketing strategies, content marketing, web analytics, writing and translation. We have sales copy, email copy, case studies. You can do a lot of these, writing ebooks, video animation, music and audio, programming, business, lifestyle. We have a lot of ideas and services to provide on Fiverr as a freelancer. What we are going to focus first is to find some topics, some skills, some ideas that you can provide services in. So this is your job. You have to sit down, get a paper, start brainstorming. What can I do? What can I provide? What skills do I have? What can I do? Maybe you are going to learn a skill. And by the way, if you go here to my YouTube channel, to the freelancing tutorials here, open this playlist, you will see I have here 3 videos. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. You can see 1, 2, 3 videos. I shared 16 skills. I taught you 16 skills that you can learn today, but just by watching these videos in 15 minutes and start implementing on Fiverr or other freelancing websites. So you have to get first the skills and the services that you are going to provide. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are studying, whatever you are good in, you can provide as a skill, as a service on these websites. Now, to get a better chance to getting some more clients, you can post your gigs and your services on websites like Fiverr.com, like peopleperhour.com and Goo.com. So create the same gigs and the same services and publish on multiple platforms to increase the percentage or to increase the chance to get more clients. And please don't forget to go to my YouTube channel and check the Freelancing Pro Series playlist. I explained here step by step how to be a successful freelancer online. In this 4 videos, it's like a mini course. I'm also updating it always to get new videos. So what you are going to do now is to pick some gigs, some services, learn about freelancing more, and publish your gigs on these websites, Fiverr.com, peopleperhour, and Guru.com. Very nice. So this is the first strategy we applied, is to publish your services and gigs on these websites. Okay, so step number 1 now. For the first week, you have to pick the topics that you are going to provide services in. Whatever skills you have, think about it. You can provide a skill or provide a service on these websites. And don't forget to publish on these 3 websites. And if you can search for more on Google, publish on different websites so you can maybe get more and more clients. So this is number 1. Now, number 2 is about blogging. This is the second strategy, blogging. What do I mean by blogging? Is to build a small blog for you. Like in my case, I have my blog HDK.com. Of course, I'm not asking you to build like this blog, advanced blog with a lot of traffic and so on. No. Create a blog that will help you promote your services and later on promote affiliate links. In this way, we are connecting 3 strategies together. Freelancing with the blogging and later on, as we will see, affiliate marketing, so we can get more and more revenue per month with these 3 income sources. So what you are going to do to start for free is to go to a website called blogger.com and create a free blog. Here in Blogger, it's a company by Google, by the way. You can simply here create a new blog and you can name it whatever you want. Let's say I will name it with my name now. You can use your name if you want. Say next. This is my blog. And now I have a new blog. Super simple. Go here to post, a new post, and you can start writing small articles. Whatever you want to write about, you can write. But it's better to pick a topic related to your services. As an example, if you are a graphic designer, write about graphic design topics. Write about maybe your experience in the university, in the college, whatever you are doing. Write something related to your services on Fiverr or on the freelancing websites. So in this way, you can connect blogging with freelancing. So what you are going to do is to create a blog, publish like 5 to 10 articles per month as an example. It will be very good, and try to link and promote your Fiverr gigs and your services from the blog. At the same time, you need to link with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's simply promoting products and services for someone else, and you will earn per commission. Let's give you an example related to this. As an example, here we have a service called Canva.com. Canva as a website allows you to create graphic designs, logos, banners, social media posts. It's one of the top applications in this field. In Canva, we have an affiliate program. Let's sign out just to show you this. And let's go down. Here we have partnerships or affiliate program. You can see here, you can register as an affiliate in Canva and start promoting it. So if you are providing freelancing services as a graphic designer and writing about graphic design services, you can simply promote Canva. So in this way, you are linking everything together, affiliate marketing with the blogging, with the freelancing, connecting things together. And in this way, you can build a strong online business. Maybe a lot of you is somehow new to this. Doesn't know how to promote affiliate links, doesn't know how to create blogs, how to pick up topics, and so on. This video is to show you the roadmap, the action plan in 30 days. Like first week to publish your gigs. Next week, set up your posts and your blog and start writing articles. Third week is to find affiliate products and link back in your affiliate, in your blog. Now, week number 4 is to start getting traffic and so on. In this way, you can grow online. But at the same time, I will not leave you now until you go and learn by yourself. No. If you go here to my YouTube channel, again, you will find videos about all the topics mentioned here. As an example, you want to pick a niche. You can check this video, blog niches, how to pick niches to make money online. This video, short video. Also, you get a free ebook with this video to pick a niche, to pick the best niche for your blog or your business in general. If you want to start with affiliate marketing, you can simply go to my playlists here and you'll find 2 playlists, the affiliate marketing case studies and the affiliate market tutorials for beginners starting from scratch. All these videos will help you start learning affiliate marketing, blogging, how to build a blog, how to start freelancing. Everything is explained here. So this is the roadmap for students. I think this is the best way a student can build a small business online from home, working from home, to make money online from home. As I tell you always, a lot of you will not apply anything, will not go and learn anything, will just keep wasting their times on Netflix, on social media and whatever, and they will not try to learn and implement anything. I know at the same time that I'm getting everyday emails from people that are now successful, and I'm sharing everything on my social media profiles, stories from successful people who apply the strategies I'm talking about and make and start a business online, applying what I'm sharing here. And by the way, I'm not sharing secrets here. I'm just sharing honest topics, honest experience, and my honest case studies that everyone can apply and start doing and start working to be successful online. Please don't forget to like the video if you like it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join the giveaway. How? Please go to my description below. You will find a link to join my giveaway. Click on the link and join, and see you on Instagram next week to announce the winners. And don't forget to share the video with someone that you might think this video will help him in his life, in her life, whatever he is doing. See you later.